Thank you so much for all the topics that you've sent me on my request to make a video on. But today I pick up the most commonest one. That's tanning, how to deal with tanning. And this has been sent to me by many people, I think maybe because of the summers. And especially by one of my friend who's Hema, and she's an avid hiker. She goes on hike very often and she complains that my skin really gets tanned all the time, and before the tan subsides, I have to go on the next, and I'm persistently quite annoyed with it. So let me just tell you that it's a very standard hassle for Indian skin people or brown skin people, especially if you're staying in a very hot and dry weather. The adverse effects of the sun on the skin will be seen in the form of tanning, and if it's consistently and persistently, then definitely it's going to get converted into suntan. Now, how do we really see it as, especially on the uncovered areas like on the face, on the neck, on the hands? And with time and time, the pigmentation and the cells which are present in the skin will get stimulated by the sun exposure and produce a lot of color and pigmentation, and that's seen in the form of tanning. Now, just to bust a myth that tanning is not completely reversible in a very short period of time, that you ask me for a single cream or one session treatment, that's not going to happen. It takes about 3 to 6 months for the complete tanning to be reversed and get your skin getting better. So the first thing is to use a sunscreen whenever you're going out. So broad spectrum sunscreen, PA++, 30 to 50 SPF, repeat every 4 hours, use a broad rimmed hat or a cap so that you are masking it even with the physical barriers. I know when you're trekking or hiking for many hours, that's not really possible, but how much ever possible, please do it, because that's really going to help you. Of course, lightening creams are also given, which are hydroquinone based, non-hydroquinone based. So contact your doctor and I will send you a prescription through. But these creams also will work to certain level. If the pigmentation or tanning is more, then you have to do some treatments like in the form of chemical peels. These are simple fruit acid peels which are done about 4 to 6 sessions a month apart, or maybe 3 weeks apart, and they will controllably reduce the number of layers in the skin, exfoliate your skin and remove the pigmentation and the tanning, get your skin back to normal how much ever possible, depending upon the damage you have. Then there's also something called as Q-switch laser or carbon laser that helps to reduce the pigmentation and the tanning. These two treatments can definitely be done. But if you have a tendency to get tanned, then along with that, start vitamin C serum. That will help to prevent further tanning. It will lighten. It will also make your skin more robust against the sun damage. Take internal sunscreens, like multiple antioxidants are available which help in strengthening the skin, and that will prevent actually the brunt of the sun coming on your skin. So the skin is more robust. You can also use a retinoid serum when you're not hiking, so that the skin quality and the holding capacity and the strength of the skin increases. So use antioxidants, oral antioxidants, topical antioxidant combinations. Use good moisturizers so that the hydration level and the water also stays there, and your quality of the sun of the skin is enhanced, and it fights back the sun, and the tanning chances do not happen. These are all the treatments which a dermat can offer. And of course, if you're asking for a DIY, then yes, any over-the-counter cream or maybe a mask, a homemade cream can be used, but they will give you very temporary and superficial results which may just last for maybe a day or two. So you can go ahead, but make sure you know what you're using, because if you have suntan or a sunburn, the skin is sensitive and you may further damage your skin if you do not know what these homemade things or over-the-counter product or creams are having. So make sure you contact your dermatologist, and for Hema, the prescription will come to you soon. Thank you for sending us the query. Do continue to send us a lot of such queries and I'll be happy to help you with. Thank you.